Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make half circle text in Photoshop. Let's get started. Create a new layer and ellipse tool without fill, stroke color black. Okay. Press enter. Shape. Then hold shift. Increase the stroke size. Direct selection tab tool. Press Ctrl X on your keyboard. Horizontal type tool. Text example red color. Then type anything. Design zone 1.0. Okay. Double click again. Press Ctrl T, hold shift, resize. Hold Ctrl, align, middle. Hold Ctrl again, align, middle. That's it. You can remove this line. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like,